Hello, I'm in Phuket. I'm in a spinning crazy thing right now. In this video I will talk about not the most high-kite entertainment on the island of Phuket. We will visit various holidays and festivals, go to Buddhist temples, do clay modeling and sail to the islands. We're in Phuket. Behind me is the third largest big Buddha in Thailand, 45 meters high. Look how beautiful it is. What a beautiful view it opens here. Welcome to Thailand and enjoy. Today we have come to make some amazing and unique products from such pieces of clay. Let's see what comes of this.
Крабик похож, типа вот лапки.
Can you actually move left hand or right hand?
Прикольно, она так хлюпает. Ой, она такая прикольная.
This is the kind of vase I got. Not without the help of the staff, but it looks good. It's called Sit-Out Studio. Nice little establishment. And you can also do whatever you want here. And here mine has arrived. All this is also for sale, but here apparently there are ready-made products.
А здесь также?
Здесь также. Опа.
В будущем кошачьи лапки.
I made something like this. Should be beautiful. Let's do this. Now I'll click my finger and there will be a finished mug and vase here. This is what happened after 3 weeks. This is a vase that I made and painted. Alice's mug more personally, she is mine, with a heart. Don't you like how it turned out? I don't like because I didn't think it would turn out like this based on the color. That's how we are. Well done. I recommended it. Very cool activity. Now we are going to this small island. It's called
Naga Noi Island. Look.
Remember it. We have finally arrived. As you can see, the guys are already sitting there. Look how beautiful it is around. This is a super small island and we came here to paint graffiti. Here, right on the shore, you can rent such a wonderful tent. Each tent has its own shower and toilet. Can you imagine waking up with such an amazing view? The guys were invited here to this island to paint this wall by the owners of a local cafe. Thus we combined business with pleasure. When the guys finished drawing, we decided to take a walk along the shore at sunset. What are you opening? Stall, the first store on the island. Now it seems the premises have passed the fire inspection. We handed over everything. Now we will import refrigerators. We went around the island. It seems small, but I had to walk on these stones. A nightmare. Look, everything here is slimy, very slippery. And the most important thing is that the tide has begun. If you see this video, it means we survived. Another unique entertainment, Thai festivals. They take place on weekends, is completely different and unexpected place. Just a couple of days ago there was a huge wasteland here. And how it's a colossal, grisly carnival. Look at this. I'm very scared, but we have to ride all these roller coasters. These events have absolutely everything you can imagine, from shooting ranges and attractions to tattoos and markets with clothes and food. for some reason, no one drives this thing. It will spin around 360 degrees. Why am I scared? For extreme lovers, you can try maggots, cockroaches and maggots. Although the locals eat it as seeds, a unique cuisine that you can find very few places. Amazing, delicious, roasted pigeons. Buddhist temples are very beautiful and worthy places to visit. And now we climbed the mountain to a very unusual Buddhist temple. Let's go take a look inside. This particular temple is considered one of the most beautiful in Phuket. The inside of the temple is stunningly hand-painted. Such detail is rare to find, and the walls tell the story of Buddhism and its transformation. If you love travel as much as I do, I recommend you download the OneTwoTrip app from the link in the description. There you can find flights and hotels in all parts of the world, and you will receive a discount of up to 15%. Using this promotional code with my last name, and you can get a $5 discount on your first hotel booking. Travel with joy and enjoy OneTwoTrip. Link in description. A huge number of people do not park and do not drive away. It's just some kind of nightmare. We are in some Wat Chalong market. It's Chinese New Year now. Look how many people are here. Just go crazy. What it is? Pray, make a wish, flowers. We were told to go there and put the flowers where they were. Then you have to stick the flags into the sand. We will need to take off our shoes. We go into the temple to place these burning sticks. Make a wish, I'll probably guess too. That's how they glue these goldfish. All these guys are sitting completely in gold. Let's make a wish. Final procedure after all presentations. This is what enlightened people look like. Today is Thai New Year. It's called Songkran, and it lasts, if I'm not mistaken, 3 or 4 days. The main meaning of this holiday is to pour on all the people around and to be doused yourself. I don't know if this is connected with cleansing and washing away sins. Must read. I'll tell you about this a little later. And now I will show how this happens. They spray everyone along the road, and other guys from such pickups or from bikes spray them back. Amazing. Mid-April in Asia is the beginning of the rainy season, which replaces the hot season. This symbolizes the tradition of throwing water on each other, a good wet season, and sure to rice harvest. The police walk around here with guns like this. Now you can see the very center of the city where we arrived. Maybe try shooting at a policeman? What do you think? When else will you be able to shoot a policeman? Previously, people sprayed each other very careful, so that water did not get on their heads or in their mouths and ears. This is New Year, friends! Be sure to come to Thailand in April. Friends, we're in Phuket, and I have a great news. Now my clothing brand Out Apparel is sold here too. We're located on Blue Tree, You will find it on the ground floor in the parking lot. Let's go! I'll show you what's inside. Here you can buy the entire last year's collection. All our accessories are also presented here, from socks to stickers. Come to Simpro Racing on Blue Tree, Phuket Island, and right here you can buy our merch.
Phuket. Phuket.
You can order Out Apparel clothes on the website using the link in the description. I went. Now let's try. Well, that's it. The guys just sat down. The first seconds of drifting in sim racing. In fact, you need to use the clutch to try.
Оп. Руль не пустой?
Guys, well, this is painful to watch. What are you doing anyway? You told me you understand this topic. That is, look, if you are in a controlled skid, then the steering wheel tends to turn. There is no need to resize him, let it spin. You just need to hold it at the right moment. And with the movements, hold and correct.
А здесь дела обстоят чуточку получше.
We decided to try to the first time to take a tourist program around the islands. This is what come out of it. We are on the Similan Islands. Guys, what's your impressions? An hour and a half to swim? Well, yes, an hour and a half. 40 people and constant pumping. I do not know anything, I slept the whole time. We sailed to the Semilan Islands. It is somewhere very far out to sea, almost on the border of Thailand and Burma, an archipelago of 9 islands. It is considered a national park, and it's even forbidden to wear slippers here. You can't help but litter here and take glass with you. Nothing is allowed here. In the literal sense, nothing is simply possible here. The excursion itself was disgusting. An hour and a half ride from Phuket in a speedboat. People vomit, children scream, the islands themselves are cool, untouched nature. And with the same success you can take a boat yourself and sail to any similar island here in Phuket or near it. I don't recommend it, don't take such excursions, go yourself. I'm in a cage with at least 2 tigers right now. If you have had such experience, write in the comments. One of the most dangerous animals is a meter away from me. I'm a little scared. My hands are shaking. The fact that these guys are standing here doesn't really inspire confidence in me. Now I'm holding him by the tail. I don't know why I'm doing this, that's what they told me. Impressions are quite one side. Tigers are in the such cage. They are very sad, very hot, they are culpable, cannot move normally, don't come to such places. You pay the labor of poachers. We are here for informational purposes only. And before that, we literally went to Elephant Park for a second. More precisely, they were at the entrance. There was a little elephant standing there. We fed him and that's it. We didn't go inside. Firstly, it's too expensive. Secondly, this is also supper to such a bloody business. So beware of zoos and similar places. By the way, I moved to live in Phuket. And soon there will be issues about moving and life on the island. If you like the entertainment episode, then like it and write comments. Well, thank you for watching, see you in the next episodes.